The armed forces of the Russian Federation continue as a special military operation. A precision attack launched at the vehicle reparation point located at Energomech Komplekt plant has resulted in the destruction of 10 field artillery guns, including 2 US-manufactured M777 howitzers, 4 launching rams of Volha multiple launch rocket systems, and 15 motor vehicles. Massive fire attack has resulted in the neutralization of the provisional bases of the 28th Mechanized and the 59th Mechanized Infantry Brigades of the Ukrainian Armed Forces, as well as of a unit of foreign mercenaries. Over 90 servicemen and militants, as well as 18 units of military equipment have been eliminated. In total, 305 airplanes and 155 helicopters, 2,099 unmanned aerial vehicles, 377 air defense missile systems, 5,143 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 851 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,433 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 5,963 units of special military vehicles have been destroyed during the special military operation.